In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify, how to connect your existing domain to your Shopify store. If you already own a domain from a registrar and you want your Shopify site to live at that address, this walkthrough will make the process simple and stress-free. Start by opening your Shopify store and signing into your admin. From the main dashboard, look to the lower left corner and click Settings. This is where Shopify keeps the key controls for your store, including the domain options we need. Inside Settings, click Domains. On this page, Shopify gives you two clear paths. You can buy a brand new domain directly through Shopify, or you can connect a domain you already own from a third-party provider. Since you already have a domain, we'll use the Connect option. Choosing to connect keeps your domain with your current registrar while pointing it to your Shopify store, which is great if you want to maintain your existing setup or renewals in one place. Click Connect Existing Domain. You'll see a field where you can paste or type your domain. Enter it exactly as you want it to appear, such as example.com, or a subdomain like shop.example.com. There's no need to include HTTP or HTTPS, just the domain itself. Double-check for typos, avoid extra spaces, and make sure you're using the correct version if your brand uses a subdomain. Accuracy here saves time later. Once the domain is in place, click Next. That's it for the core steps. Shopify will try to verify the connection. In many cases, Shopify can guide you through any remaining checks automatically. If anything needs your attention, you'll see clear on-screen prompts. It's normal for domain connections to take some time to propagate across the internet, anywhere from a few minutes up to 48 hours, so don't worry if it doesn't switch over instantly. While you wait, know that Shopify automatically provisions an SSL certificate for your connected domain, which gives your storefront the secure padlock in the browser. When the connection is complete, your store will be accessible at your custom domain, and you can preview it to confirm everything looks right. If your brand uses email with your registrar, connecting your domain for the website won't change your email settings, but it's always a good idea to verify that your email still routes as expected, and that's all you need to do. Open your Shopify store, go to Settings, select Domains, choose to connect an existing domain, paste it in, and click Next. You'll be up and running with your custom address in no time.